Hi everybody, welcome to the last week of MBA Essentials 1. This week we finish up with marketing, or continuing the discussion about marketing. First, in Module 13, you've got the marketing mix, learning about the 4 Ps and how those are aligned. And you're actually going to apply that to yourself. So your assignment is to go through these steps and create a SWOT analysis for yourself. Identify your career objectives, your value proposition, and share the tools that you use. Then in the discussion, you're going to share your career objective and your value proposition, and then make comments and try to help each other in terms of building a network and helping each other out. Module 14, again, looks at you, personal branding, so applying the 4 Ps to yourself. Your assignment is to link the 4 Ps of marketing to your personal brand, identifying your target markets, and then defining yourself and your strategy using the 4 Ps. So again, applying the 4 Ps to yourself. And then the final assignment for the discussion is for you to create a video, an elevator pitch. So assume you have about 45 seconds in the elevator to pitch yourself to someone important to your career, and include the components you have listed here and upload the video that can be shared with other individuals. So respond to each other's posts, comment positively on one video, and constructively suggest how a pitch can be improved. So let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to reading your responses and viewing your video.